We're doing a little thank you to the earth video. Look at the beautiful rain. Listen to it. Our little backyard. How beautiful the trees are. And this quick little video for today. Hey guys, so we're going to jump right into the card of the day, which is Earth Healing. So we are reminded on this beautiful rainy day that the earth is love, the earth is loving us, the earth is supplying us everything that we absolutely need. So when we embrace the rain, when we embrace the beauty of the rain, we all feel the greatness of the energy that she is supplying for us. We all feel the energy of the things that she wants us to know, the earth wants us to feel. We feel absolutely everything. So this is your reminder of the day to take the time, if it's raining, or just go outside and enjoy the earth, go enjoy the planet. She's here for us. We are here for her. We need to give her more love, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!